Okay, well today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to stain or restain this pot my wife bought for a natural candle she's made from this rendering the pig fat into lard. I'm going to take this pot she bought and redo the handle and the top on the lid, and we'll show you what it's going to look like when it starts. This is it here. You can see how it looks. Alright, so we're going to redo this and clean this up so it looks like new again. Alright. Now, this is loose enough. I didn't need a screwdriver. I can just undo it by hand. And I'll take it off the lid so that you don't run any risk of scratching it in the sanding process. Alright, you want to put this nut back on. That way you don't drop it or anything. Just the basics. Alright, and we just sand carefully. And we're going to take this down. We don't necessarily have to take all of it off. We're just going to clean this up. I could get out my palm sander and I could palm sand it, and I may end up doing that. Yeah, I'll probably just go ahead and do that. That'll speed up the process, and we'll fine tune it by hand. Okay, we're finishing up the sanding on this here. And you don't have to sand it all off. I'm going with a dark walnut. This will just give you an idea. Okay, now we're going to finish up this handle. You can see the sanding I've already done. Just about done now. Okay, now I'm going to finish this off with some 220. You want to go with the grain. Okay. I can hold on to it, that is. Okay. Just want to kind of finish it off. Then these grooves in here, you want to just kind of fold this and go around the grooves. Okay, so we are going around these grooves here. Alright, get that there. Alright. Okay, that should be good enough. Now, my staining rag. I have to get that staining rag. Okay, I'm going to use this Minwax Dark Walnut Stain. Okay, I've already shaken it. Shake it. A little more here. Okay. Now I'm going to take this rag, and I'm going to take this tail, I'm going to put it in the middle so it gives it something to absorb into so that it holds the stain. You don't have to dip as much, and it becomes more like a sponge then. Okay. All right. And as you see, this takes the stain really nice. And if I want to make this darker, then all I have to do is let it dry and then put on another application. All right, so that's nice and stained. Get a nice coat. You can see how it's turning out here.